بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب صدق الله العظيم قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. Dear audience, Honorable President, Honorable guest and other guests, Assalamu alaikum. Dear brothers, first of all I thank all of you for attending today's competitive guidance program. As you know, my subject is the education of Islam is backbone of nation. Dear audience, the importance Islamic education is very clear in front of us like the sun. But unfortunately, it is almost impossible for me to narrate it within the limited time frame. But I will try to my subject, inshallah. Dear audience, we are Muslim and our religion is Islam. We are the Ummah of our last prophet. Ummah means as a nation we should follow and obey him. Because Allah said, وَمَنْ يَبْتَغِ غَيْرَ الْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْهُ وَهُوَ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. Say if you go love Allah, follow me, Allah will love you and forgive you and your sins. Dear audience, most of the people get to know the truth with this moral education. Moral education is not only an education, but it is a movement, it is a bright story, and it is the center of Islamic culture. Dear brothers, the Quran and Hadith is the model for Ummah. The education is not only an education that could be taken as the backbone of the nation. So no other education could be the backbone of the nation. Our religion Islam is complete code of life because Allah said, اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا فمن اضطر في مخمصة غير متجانف لإثم فإن الله غفور رحيم. This day have I perfect your religion for you and have chosen for you Islam or you religion. Surah Al-Ma'idah ayat number 3. Our religion Islam is selected by Allah because Allah said also about this, Inna Dina Indallahi Islam. The religion before Allah is Islam. My dear audience, everything is taught in moral education. The education of morality teaches the nation to be good men, and it is the unique education that can make ideal men. So dear audience, come to learn moral education in all situations, in all times. It will ensure your success in the Akhirah as well, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.